Is your system slow to responding to tasks that you need to perform and you really want to bypass that? For example, maybe you want to open an application, for example, let's just say maybe calculator or um, let's say maybe autopsy, and you are having issues, it's not loading very fast, and you just want to like look for a means to open it. This command I want to show you now can actually fast track that for you. So just come with me. Now press your Windows key once, and then tap your Windows key once, type in RUN, and then when you do that, hit the enter key, type this command that is seen on the screen here, right? Type shell, then apps folder, right? So once you're done typing this command, hit enter, and then it will hand you here straight up. So you can see all your apps. So this place you have now, these are all the apps in your systems that you can actually, so you are seeing your apps like as if you are in a mobile phone, right? Android phone. So here you can actually pick any of this to load, and then you open. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button, right? Or you can join us during our live sessions to learn more about these commands. Thank you so much.